Hello traders, welcome to another weekly gold XAUUSD price prediction and analysis video. In this video, we are going to analyze gold chart on different time frames and we are going to discuss important price action levels and other important levels that we can look for buying and selling opportunities in next week. So in last week, we have seen that gold recorded its worst weekly close this year, and the reason behind this decline was hawkish FOMC minutes and robust US PMI. Now, market largely look for just one rate cut this year, as everyone is now readjusting their rate cut expectations in the wake of US data and the Fed recent remark of holding the rates for longer. So as you can see, after making a high around 2450, we have seen the continuous decline. So what are the next levels that we can look for buying and selling? Let's discuss those level. But before price action, let's check the latest COT, that is commitment of traders report. And if we check the positions of the managed money right over here, you can see, if we check the positions of the managed money in the latest COT report, and if we check the change in position right over here, you can see that the managed money is still, you can see, is turning, or you can say is currently showing the indication of bullish wave that can start anytime soon. And as per this data, you can see that they still adding positions into the long. They added 18737 position, which is a big number. So they added a very good or you can say good amount of positions into their long positions. And if we check the positions into the short, yes, they added some short position, but the short is very, you can say, few. Right over here you can see it is just 649 numbers in the net short position. So overall the scenario is in the bull's favor, because the positions into the long, they increasing week by week. You can see right over here we have seen some decline into the long position in previous some weeks, but now from last 3 weeks you can see the net long positions is going into the higher side, which is indicating that the managed money is now completely, or you can say, turning into the bullish side. So the sentiment from the COT is in the bull's favor. Now let's check the volume profile chart on 4-hour time frame, and what are the levels that we can look for, and what are we are going to follow in the next week as per the volume distribution. So this is the 4-hour time frame, and if we check the current closing, it is closed at the support level around 2330 right over here you can see. And if we check that volume point at this particular closing, it is at a very high volume node as visible on 4-hour time frame. So from here we can say the price is currently trading at the support area. So above this area, or above the previous week low, we can look for a you can say possible buying opportunity, and on pullback, because overall the week was in red. So on pullback we have to wait for rejection, and we can look for selling opportunities, as this is the only support. So if price break down from the previous week low, we can look for selling opportunities toward to recent low, which was around 2277. So this is the main decisive level for this particular you can say decline. If price took support on here, or price takes support on this particular low level around 2277, then we can look for buying. But as of now we can see a big decline, and this decline might continue like this. So as per the volume profile, this is the main level that we can look for buying and sell. Again, if price break down from 2277, then the next possible support is around 2200, which is a psychological support level, and below that you can see this is another support on lower side. It is around 2150. Yes, 2150 is also a level that bears can you can say target in the downside, and from there the price can reverse like this. So these are the levels on volume profile that we have to watch carefully, and we can trade on in next week. Also, if we check the pivot placement for next week, you can see this is the pivot which is in the downside from the previous week pivot. So this is the level from where we can re-look, or you can say we can resell the gold on medium term, or you can say short term, or on weekly basis, or on intraday also, because we have seen that price is forming a base kind of formation right over here, and if price break out from 2340, then it can test this level which is around 2369. So on a rejection from this level, we can look for sell toward to monthly pivot. This is the monthly pivot around 2315. So these are the two levels from where we can look for buying opportunities on intraday, but on breakdown we can look for selling side. So overall the scenario on technical chart is in the more decline side. You can say we can expect more decline as per the technical chart. So we are going to look for the sell on this level 2369 or 2360, this right over here, and under this we can target first 2315, which was the monthly pivot, or 2320, and on breakdown from here the next support on weekly time frame is 2289 or roughly 2290. So yes, overall technically we are in downside, and we are going to look for the selling opportunities until unless we see some good day closing into the from the lower side. So overall we are going to look for the sell for next week. And as you can see on weekly, we have seen a good decline and a good red candle. So from here it is you can say clearly possible that it can go for the low around 2277, and this is the only support on the weekly. And from breakdown from here, the next support is around 2200, which is easily achievable on the weekly time frame. So on technical side we have to wait for buying opportunities. Yes, if we see the overall scenario, it is still in the bull side, and it can reverse anytime like this. So for as of now we are going to look for sell for at least 1 or 2 week, and then we can look for the buying opportunities. So these are the levels that we can look for buying and sell for next week. We will discuss more about these levels in live trading session in Telegram channel. So see you there. Thank you.